हरदीप सिंह पुरी ने कहा है कि देश में कहीं भी ईंधन की कोई कमी नहीं है। पेट्रोल डीजल की कीमतों को लेकर हरदीप सिंह पुरी ने कहा है कि सरकार ने पिछले 4 सालों से कीमतें नहीं बढ़ाई है। पेट्रोल डीजल की कीमतों और चुनावों का आपस में कोई लेना देना नहीं है। पेट्रोलियम मंत्री ने बताया कि भारत के पास 60 दिनों का कच्चे तेल का स्टॉक मौजूद है, जो हमारी जरूरत के हिसाब से काफी है। इसके अलावा 60 दिनों का एलएनजी और 45 दिनों का एलपीजी स्टॉक भी मौजूद है।
Somebody said, ओ ये चुनाव हो गए, अब एकदम प्राइस बढ़ जाएगा। अरे भाई, पिछले 4 साल में कितने चुनाव हुए हैं? After 2022 was the last time we raised prices. There has been the general election in 2024. There have been elections in state government. Look, it's not my case that prices will not go up. I'm saying the two are unrelated. Tell me any one country where prices have remained the same and there has been no shortage anywhere, in spite of the best efforts of some people to trying to black market and raise false spreading rumors. Every day I spend an hour and a half with the CMDs of my oil companies in war session. No problem on the supply management side, no shortage of anywhere. And I'm going to conclude this by saying we have 60 days of crude, which is the maximum we need. We have 60 days of LNG and we have 45 days of LPG.
वही सीआईआई समिट में कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक के फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर उदय कोटक ने बड़ी चेतावनी दी है। उन्होंने कहा है कि हमें बुरे से बुरे हालात के लिए तैयारी करके रखनी चाहिए। ईरान और अमेरिका युद्ध की वजह से भारत को और बड़े झटके लग सकते हैं।
We should prepare for paranoia before the event, and we must hope that tough times do not come or remain, but we must prepare for the worst. Therefore, it is about preparation, be ready for tough times, rather than waiting for the shock to hit us. And in many ways, the Prime Minister is saying,
what would that look like?
I think you'll begin to see it. I mean, we have not seen the impact in the last 2 months of the Middle East war in terms of energy price transmission. It's coming, and it's coming big. And the consumers have not felt the pressure at all. And think about a consumer with limited income having to spend more directly on fuel and indirectly on other items for fuel, or dependent on fuel. The shock is coming. We had old inventory. We had the ability for oil companies to be the shock absorber. And it's a large amount of money. Therefore, I don't think you're very far away from the shock.